Nah, bro, I want to come out like face fronting and shit.
You are face front. What do you mean?
Like this. Like selfie mode.
Okay. Oh my god, guys, look at me. Where am I? Where am I?
Look at my cute ass.
I'm right there. Look at me, guys. Okay, same.
Mood. Are you in the corner?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Mood?
Motherfucker. Yeah, I licked her.
We're way too Hollywood.
Can you hold my picture?
I'm with my
said
friends.
don't go too far.
And you know, we're just doing like whatevers. So I'm gonna go buy some new eyelashes at Forever 21 and, you know, do some stuff. You know, she's gonna hold the camera for me because, you know, I'm too lazy. So, I don't like all these people. Okay, so we're gonna go. Where are we gonna go? I don't know. We're gonna go to Hollywood. You're supposed to say that.
Well, where are you going?
I'm gonna go get eyelashes. Okay, what about? Oh my god, hi!
Dude, you look retarded.
This is Hollywood! I'm not screaming.
You should get a vlog camera.
I am gonna get a vlog camera. I'm getting it for my 15.
Serious?
Yeah.
You're a professional vlogger?
Professional vlogger. No, thank you. I think you're supposed to do this. I don't know. So right now we're here, people just staring at me.
Is it really hard to do?
Oh, look at these little pooches, dude.
Let's see if she's gonna take me to go buy.
I wanna go.
So I'm gonna ask.
Tell you right now, she's my damn idol. We're just waiting for my friend right now. She went to go see her sister. So we're just waiting for like gang gang.
Why do you have that hat on?
Because they're nice. Look at the damn hat.
This one's retarded. Where'd this one go? Right here?
Yeah.
Well, it's because this one is phone.
Going into ZARA. Oh shit! I got scared. That is so nice. Guys, I'm wearing this for the school dance tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
It's Friday.
Today's Tuesday, though.
Dude, this is actually the red one.
This is actually really cute, bro.
How much is it?
Mix a lot and take them nasty thoughts. Baby got back. Baby got back.
Hollywood is pretty lit, guys. Gio, where are you at? Honestly, I don't know why he went back to Florida. Like, come back. Imagine my phone just falls in there.
Your phone doesn't fit through there.
Yes, it
No,
does.
it doesn't.
Yes, it
Do
does.
you see how thin it is?
Yes, it does.
I guess.
Oh, what do you get?
Yo, let's go to Sephora.
Yes, right. They're going right now.
It's 1,000.
No, we're
What's
gonna
stopping
go.
us?
Okay, alright, then let's go.
Well, what's stopping us?
Let's go.
Let's go.
You should like, hey. dumb. Is that it? No finesse. Hey, no finesse. No finesse. No finesse. No finesse. We come out like.
My booze went from an A to a C. Hi. Oh, what? What is it?
I don't know. I guess no photographer.
Guys, so they didn't let us record Sephora for some odd damn reason. I don't know what was your point there. But yeah, right now we're going forever.
Isn't this like a wannabe Sephora?
Their makeup is good. Yeah. It's like very like at a cheap price, but their makeup is just good. I like it. I want a primer, but they're looking so expensive.
Oh shit, I was gonna go down.
People fall in love in mysterious ways. Do you wear this?
Do you wear this?
Huh?
Do you wear this?
Yeah. Like how much is it?
Bro, I
Yo, you know which one I want? You know which I've been wanting? This. Oh, they don't have it?
do they did never have shit.
Savage, this one. This one. I want this one so badly.
Martinez Smith?
No.
I hate when Forever does shit like they're literally like, oh this is cute and it has some stupid shit here. Oops.
I will deadass buy this for you.
I could literally see Gio wearing this.
I know.
Where are the guys at?
Let's go over there. I want to go get eyelashes.
There's a mirror right there.
Legitimately say, oh my god, this is actually very nice. You guys always get the best stuff. Or if it's a girl, you just need to learn how to pick out your stuff. The beauty shop, guys.
Let's go.
That's why I came here?
For the that clothes too, man.
No clothes, I'm coming with my mom. Wow. 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 Look, guys. What are you doing to me? Totally, guys. Totally rocking the style. Michelle doesn't want to go. Okay.
Oh, what about these?
She's so adorable, guy. Am I choking you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What about these?
No.
Bolitas.
Don't get those pom-poms on.
Brushes up in here, bro. It's not even funny. This is cute. Sorry.
Oh, yes.
Dude, that actually looks really nice.
It does look nice, huh? Get a doggy, guys. And we're back in the store. Ow, that hurt my hand. That hurt my soul.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? To my vlog. Here's you, Starbucks, guys. I just got a s'mores right now. I'm on my way to go see my mom right now. I just left my friend Michelle back there and I'm pretty sad because I'm already missing her. Like, no. So this is gonna be it for my vlog, guys. It's a very, very, very short vlog. I'm so sorry, but oh, you already know there's gonna be more videos. Yeah. So I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my channel. And yeah.